You have a task in front of you. You know it matters. You know how to do it, and you cannot make yourself start. If this happens to you regularly, there's something important you need to understand about yourself. Because the people most likely to experience this aren't the unmotivated ones. Most people believe procrastination is a time management problem or a laziness problem. Psychologists call this the willpower myth. And in 2014, researcher Fuschia Sirois found something that turned that assumption completely upside down. By the end of this video, you'll have a 3-step framework, the implementation bridge, and one tool you can use within the next hour to finally begin. Sirois's research showed that procrastination is not about time. It's about emotion. Specifically, it's about avoiding the negative feelings associated with a task, not the task itself. Your brain isn't avoiding work. It's avoiding discomfort. But here is the counterintuitive part. People with higher metacognitive awareness, those who are more conscious of their own thinking, are statistically more prone to this pattern because they can see exactly how difficult the task will be. And that clarity becomes the obstacle. Person A has high standards. They see every possible way they could fail. So they wait for the perfect moment to begin. That moment never comes. Person B understands the emotion underneath the avoidance. They begin anyway, imperfectly, immediately. Here is the framework. Step 1. Shrink the task. Research by Peter Gollwitzer at NYU shows that breaking a task into its smallest possible first action reduces activation energy by up to 60%. Don't plan the project. Find the first sentence, the first number, the first click. Step 2. Name the emotion. Before you begin, say aloud or write down what you're actually feeling. Not about the task, but about yourself in relation to it. Fear of judgment. Fear of failure. Naming the emotion activates your prefrontal cortex and reduces the amygdala's hold on your behavior. Step 3. Contain the time. Don't commit to finishing. Commit to starting for exactly 2 minutes. Research by Bluma-Zygarnik shows that unfinished tasks stay active in working memory. Beginning is almost always enough to create momentum. The tool. Give yourself a 2-minute permission slip. Say this: I have permission to stop after 2 minutes. The removal of obligation is what the brain was resisting. Remove it, and it stops resisting. You now understand something most high performers spend years figuring out. Procrastination was never a character flaw. It was a misunderstood signal. And the moment you start treating it as emotional data rather than personal failure, everything changes. But if procrastination is about emotional avoidance, the next question is, why do some people regulate their emotions under pressure while others collapse entirely? That's the neuroscience of staying calm.